Hello viewers, Apple has released iOS 17.5 in the month of May. It has brought several new features and updates to your iPhones. These features include web distribution, repaired state mode, cross-platform anti-stalking, Pride collection wallpapers and watch faces, Apple new News Plus enhancements, and many others update. Last time when I updated my iPhone 13 to the latest version of 17.4.1, my iPhone 13 screen got black. As this iPhone was out of warranty, I had to bear the cost of replacing the screen. You might ask me the question why I am updating to iOS 17.5 when my iPhone is out of warranty. There are two reasons for updating to iOS 17.5. The first is iOS 17.4.1 update brought the issue of black screen on my iPhone 13. So I am very skeptical. So I want to update it so that that problem doesn't occur again. The second reason is iPhone 13 is hitting too much because of this latest software update. So I thought that iPhone should be updated to iOS 17.5. However, in that case also I am not sure whether I will not face this issue or not. So if your iPhone is out of warranty, watch this video till the end and then decide whether you should update to the latest version or not. As iOS 17.5 is a major update, I think this will solve the battery issue and also the network issue, and this might not bring the issue of green line and black screen. So without much delay, let's jump into the update and see what else is there. At the time of installing iOS 17.5 update, I can feel the heat here, but this is not an abnormal heating. The software installation is almost complete. So finally, I have updated to the latest version of iOS 17.5. Let me go to settings and show you the software version. Let me go to say general and about. You can see that this is iOS 17.5. I have already installed it. You can read the build number. Now let me go to iPhone storage and you can see here that iOS 17.5 is actually taking 11.22 GB and system is about 5.39 GB. That's a great thing. The system is taking less data actually compared to last update. Now I have checked the battery level and it is showing 87% battery health. Even after this update, the battery health is constant, but I cannot say anything about the battery life. You can see that new wallpapers have been added. The Pride collection of wallpapers has been introduced. If you come down here, you can set these wallpapers and these wallpapers look actually very good. Whenever you set this wallpaper, it will change the shape whenever you drop down the menu from the drop down list like this. When you pull down the notification, you can see that every time it changes shape and also it gives a good look to your phone. So these wallpapers are included in the Pride section. That's a cool thing. For a general user, you might see these changes, but other than that, you cannot feel the changes that has been made in this iOS 17.5 update. After iOS 16, the new features have been added and they are enhancing and giving new features with every update. That's a good thing from Apple. After the update, the UI feels as fluid as it was before, though it is only 60 Hz. Then I have checked the HDR videos and HDR videos looked perfectly well. After this update, there is no green line issue or no black screens issue. So it might be said that display wise this update has no effect on the display. Now you have to decide whether you want to update or want to wait for few days before updating to the latest version if your iPhone is out of warranty. I will make a detailed review video of iOS 17.5 after 3 to 4 days. In that review video, I will talk about the network, about the battery life and also about the camera performance. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.